Ford Explorer, right front fender flare, unboxing. Fender flare, trim panel clips. Tools used for removing and installing Ford Explorer, right front fender flare, retaining clips. Small 5.5mm short socket. Small quick ratchet. Trim removal pry tool. Use trim removal pry tool to remove retaining clips on right front fender flare. Remove clips. Continue using the same tool. Remove remaining retaining clips. Remove clips. Use trim removal pry tool. Remove 2 retaining clips under the fender flare. Remove clips. Due to clip aging, it was damaged during removal. Next, replace with new clips. Use small 5.5mm short socket with small quick ratchet. Remove fender flare mounting screws. Remove screw. Remove screw. After removing all screws and clips from the fender flare, carefully pry the fender flare outward. Use trim removal pry tool to remove retaining clips on fender flare. Remove fender flare. Comparison of old and new fender flare. Before installing new fender flare, install trim panel clips on the fender flare. Insert clip into fender flare slot. Align holes for installation. Install remaining clips in the same way. Result after clips are installed. Align clip holes. Install new fender flare. After alignment, press firmly inward. After installing fender flare, align clip holes and install clips. Continue installing. Install new clips. Align holes. Install fender flare, mounting screws. Use small 5.5mm short socket with small quick ratchet. Tighten fender flare mounting screws. Screw tightened. Final result after fender flare installation. New product showcase after installation.